Hey trainers and collectors, welcome to another Rare Stag video. I'm your host Joe, and today we're going to be opening just a couple packs I found at a vending machine, a Pokemon Ball, and a double blister with the Raikou promo in there. So if you're new to the channel, a quick like really helps support me, and subscribing with the notifications on, you won't miss any future uploads or giveaways. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video for those giveaway details I just mentioned. You see back here, I've still got this Prismatic Evolution Super Premium Collection. The goal right now is if we can get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give that one away. I'm trying to come up with something to do at 500 too, just to make there kind of a halfway point. But let's start opening these packs, and then we'll get to the giveaway. So I think I'll start with the Phantasmal Flames. I found both these just at a vending machine. But found a Prismatic booster bundle as well too, but I think I'm going to save that one for another video. So let's get this down. Okay. Q. Apom. Brava. Sandile. Blowtorch. Cresselia. Hunter. Voltund, Brinplup, Ambipom, Psychic Energy. Okay. Nothing too special from the first pack. Let's see what we got in here. I think I'll save the Poké Ball for last. I think it's kind of got some like Obsidian Flames and packs about that time. Dugong, Ghastly, like the artwork on that Ghastly. Another Mimikyu, Apom, another Hunter, Cresselia, Lockix, Absol, Sacred Charm, Insect. Energy. All right, so nothing too special from either of those. Let's see, we got one Mega Evolution and one Phantasmal Flames in here with the coin in the promo. Let's see what we got. Well, there's the Raikou. Ever think they make things so hard to open or just weren't meant to be opened? Let's stick with the Phantasmal Flames for now. Mega next, and then we'll to the Poké Ball. Pinch, Zigzagoon, Brinplup, Sableye, Dawn, Seviper, Granbull, Bro, Reverse, looks like, Blowtorch, Suicune, Kune, with a Leaf Energy, Grass. See what the Mega Evolution's got for us. Switch. Come on. Heliolisk. Corphish. Tangela. Handgrowth. Holdingo. Premium Power Pro. Let's see if I can see them up here. Execute Reverse. I like the artwork on that one. Got us a Shuckle, and then we've got Blitzer. Fighting Energy. Nothing too great from those. Let's So this is an H24 Poké Ball. Huge coin there. Scarlet and Violet base set. Scarlet and Violet base set. And Obsidian Flames. Okay. See, I thought I knew Obsidian Flames would be in there. I don't know if I've ever opened the SV base set, so I want to start there. I haven't opened much Obsidian Flames either, but Charlie, Little, Roomish, Pinky. So it goes a good artwork on these base set cards. Be a little slept on. It's the reverse Palmot. The Ralts. Hey. I feel like I knew a lot of people looking for that card. That's a cool one. Pretty cool little card. Dondozo and Lightning Energy. Let's see if this other base set holds anything. The way these were shoved in the Pokeball made it kind of hard to hold on to when I open these. Skidoo, Rexley, Squovit, Percadet. I like the artwork on these. Might have to get me some more base. Winkalong, Spiritomb, Ultra Ball, Pavilion, Dashbun, Gyarados EX. 45. Pretty cool looking card. So I like the artwork in this set with the Lightning Energy. Let's see what the Obsidian's Flame has for us. This is my last pack. Then we'll get to the giveaway. I think we had 3 people sign up this time. Toy, Denizen, Larvesta, Fungus, Camerupt, Paldean, Clodsire, Granbull, Bronzong, Heatmore, Sizer, a Water Energy. Alright. Well, not too terrible overall. I think the Vaults makes it worth all that, so I'll definitely take it. Alright, let me get the giveaway up here. We've got Young Brain, Jim, Viswa, and what they voted for. So those are our 3. Let's go ahead and shuffle the names and pick a winner. Jim. Congratulations, Jim. Multiple time winner. Let's get back to this. They wanted a Team Rocket, so I've got Team Rocket pack for them. Alright, like I said, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy Pokemon and want some free packs, make sure you're liking, subscribing, and filling out the form in the video, and that'll get you entered to win these. So, Team Rocket's Meow. Yeah, I like the Destin Rivals set. Misty Staryu, Team Rocket's Ekans, Relor, Team Rocket's Energy, that's a cool one. Team Rocket's Porygon Z, Team Rocket's Houndoom, got a Reverse Mudbray, Snover, and a Crustle. Sorry, Jim, nothing too crazy, but keep on trying and we'll keep on opening packs for you if you win. So, all right, that's gonna do it for today's video. So, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you do drop a like and subscribe for the more pulls and giveaways. Let me know in the comments which card was your favorite hit today. I think I might have a guess on what it might be, but you might have another one too. So, let's do for the next giveaway. We pretty much got the same packs here. We got Journey Together, Surging Sparks, Paradox Rift, Stellar Crown, Destined Rivals, Phantasmal Flames, and Mega Evolutions. So, yeah, to enter the giveaway, just comment one of those packs. Look out for the form you need to fill out. The form kind of goes through what you need to do to do the giveaway, but the form pretty much just helps me be able to get in touch with you guys if you do win. So, all right, thanks everybody for watching. Have a good one. Bye.